Hello everyone. As you know, summer is almost here. That's why today I will be doing for you Vietnamese food. Is it fresh, light, and healthy? So it's a perfect food for summer. So let's do it. To start to make this, we just have to boil in these prawns we have here. Just add a little bit salt. Keep them boiling like 7 minutes is enough. They don't have to be so cooked. And then we just have to cut our mango, cucumber, carrot, and avocado. But remember, these ingredients we have to do very thin slices. Is it so good? Because then it's gonna be easier to make the rolls. And to cook our rice noodles, we have to put them then in on boiling water, and we just have to keep them there just 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, you just have to put them out and put it in some place where the water can be out, like completely out. These noodles can't have any water. And after we finish to do all of these things, we just have to take our rice paper and put it in warm water for 5 seconds, and then we can start to make our fresh rolls. And on my fresh rolls, I will use nice vegetables here. You can add whatever vegetables you want. So I will add a little bit lettuce, bamboo shoots, cucumber, carrot, mango, mungo, but take care because mango and mungo is not the same, okay? I will add avocado to rice noodles. Is this can miss, rice noodles can miss on those rolls, fresh rolls, and prawns. And my fresh rolls are so heavy, so they're like a little bit robusto. They're kind of robusto rolls. But I like the atomic bomb of flavors and taste in my fresh rolls. So you can add less than what I'm adding on them. Is it up to you? This is optional. And here is the kind different of decoration I will use here on those fresh rolls. I will use small leaves of watercress. It's like bottom prawns. You add 2 leaves of watercress, and it's gonna be different decoration for fresh rolls. And after we finish our fresh rolls, just look what we have. Look what we have. You have to do it at home to see what I'm enjoying. And to start our peanut butter sauce, we're gonna add a little bit soya sauce, garlic, chili flake, lemon juice, peanut butter, obviously. Move a little bit and add water. So the chili flakes and garlic, these are ingredients which you can add the amount you want. Is it optional? Like you don't have to add like this big portion I add on my sauce. And after you finish to mix every ingredients, you will get something like that. Look, look, look this, look. And now is the time to plaster our fresh rolls with our peanut sauce. Oh my god, just look. And to the peanut sauce, I add like a little nuts on it. And now is the time to try this. And now we just coat it, you smear it with the sauce, and then you just have to eat and enjoy these delicious fresh rolls. Thanks for watching this video. If you think the video was good, please like and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet.